Hello students, good morning and welcome to DSS online classes. Myself Anjali Yadav, your EVS teacher. Students, we are reading chapter 5, Chotu's house. In previous video, we have discussed many things and we also done all the questions up to page number 34. Now move on the next page, which is page number 35. Let's see what is there. Use of toilet. Use of toilet. Let's see and read. So here is a story which reads use of toilet. So let's see what it says. Simmi noticed that her friend Billu was getting uncomfortable. He was not talking to her. So here we can say that she is Simmi. She is Simmi and he is Billu. He is her friend Billu. And she noticed that her friend Billu feels uncomfortable. That means he was not feeling good and he was not talking to her. So she said, Billu, what happened? You look so dull. Dull? Okay? What happened? You look so dull. By this sentence, we can see that Simmi shows concern for Billu. Now, concern is something when we ask a person that why the person is not feeling good. So Billu said, I don't know how to use the toilet properly. Hira ma'am would be on her round and again she would scold me as usual for not using the toilet properly. So, the Billu problems was that he did not know how to use the toilet properly. She said, Hira ma'am would be on her round and again she would scold me as usual for not using the toilet properly. That is why he was not feeling good. So Simmi said, why don't you use the toilet properly then? Billu said, I am scared that I would fall in the toilet pit. So Simmi said, how stupid. And now I know it is you and many of your friends like you who make our toilet so dirty by not using the toilet properly. Don't be scared, be responsible. So Simmi asked what is his problem. So Billu replied he was scared that he would fall in the toilet pit. This is the toilet pit. Okay. So there are the steps to be responsible. Okay. Let us now see how to be responsible. Use the toilet by sitting properly. Always flush it with water after use. Wash yourself properly. Wash your hands thoroughly. These are the steps to be responsible. So Billu said that he was scared that he would fall in the toilet pit. But Simmi said that it was very easy. Okay, how to use the toilet. That is why toilet or so Billu said he was scared that he would fall in the toilet pit. So Simmi said that is why the toilets are so unclean. She said he don't need to be scared but you need to be responsible. And she told him to follow following steps. These are the steps, okay, to be responsible. That is you need to know how to be responsible. You have to use the toilet by sitting properly. You need to always flush it with water after use. You need to wash yourself properly. You need to wash your hands thoroughly. And you know what? Many people do not know how to use the toilet properly and they go in the open area for it. And our Prime Minister also started Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which says We need to keep our country clean and to make the people aware of the toilet and their importance. Government has started schemes like जहाँ शौच वहाँ शौचालय and the movies like Toilet एक प्रेम कथा are be the done made to the people aware of the importance of toilet. So I hope you all have first watched this movie, and if you have to be done, so this is the very good social message. Now next, so here is leave the toilet as clean as you want it for yourself. So here is leave the toilet clean as you want it for yourself. Now this is the something very important. When you go to the toilet and you want it to be clean, so you need to be keep it as clean as you want it, okay, when you go there. If you want something, then you need to sacrifice and do the same. You know the saying that the way you go, you do something and the similar you get it back. So keep the toilet clean and be responsible. So here we can see that the person is flushing. You can see it. The person is flushing it properly and pouring water inside it to make it clean. Okay. So here let's repeat it. Did you know? For Gandhiji's 150th birthday, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan was launched. It is to help the realize that cleanliness is everyone's duty and responsibility. As I talked about it, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. It was launched on 150th birthday of Gandhiji, and it shows the people to responsibilities to maintain its cleanliness. Okay. Now the question is, first question is, describe the toilet area in your school. Okay. Describe the toilet area in your school. So basically, why you need to tell that where is the area located. So we have toilet each and every floor. Okay. Is it clean? Yes, it is always clean. Who cleans and how? Now you need to say that whether it is clean or not. Yes, it is clean, and who cleans it? Yes, the sweepers cleans it. How do you help in it? Yes, all the children help in it by keeping the toilet clean. From now, Billu used the toilet responsibly. He left it clean after its use and washed his hands. Do you leave the toilet as clean as you want it for yourself? Yes, we always leave the toilet as clean as we want it for ourselves. Enlist the times when you wash hands. Okay, after using toilet, before eating something, and whenever they are dirty. Okay, so there are basic times whenever we wash our hands. When do you think your hands get dirty? When we are touching something, okay, and when we are using toilet, then we feel our hands get dirty. Now the next is, when all do you need to keep yourself clean? Bathing and brushing teeth, clipping the nails regularly. So these are the work you have to done every day. What are the works? Bathing and brushing teeth, clipping the nails regularly. So let's see what is the next. Okay, now this is your last topic. You are watching a very beautiful picture. Okay, why I am showing this picture, you will be understand after end of this slide, and you have to study this picture very carefully. Maybe this will be very helpful for you. And this is a different type of home decoration. Now we are going to for this some pictures regarding the different types of home decoration, And you know the what is the meaning of home decoration? Yes, when you decorate your home or house, that is the decoration, and when it looks like very nice. So let's go for some different types of home decoration. Okay. Oh wow, look at this home decoration, how beautifully is decorated. Is this? Yes, I think some of our house may be like this. Okay, and whenever you go anywhere, you will also look this. You will also see this type of pictures and this type of home decoration. Is this a very beautiful decoration? Yes, very nice. And also you have to watch carefully. Okay. Now the next slide is, oh, look at this very nice picture. This is hanging type of decoration. Okay, you may have seen or may not be. Okay, so now the next slide is, wow, look at this very beautiful pictures and this very beautiful home decoration. And you have seen this type of home decoration in your house, and maybe you will also use this type of home decoration in your own house. Okay, now the next is, okay, look at this very beautiful picture. This is Ganesha, and this is a picture of puja of Ganesha and picture of Ganesha. In this you all decorate your house, and this is the material which we use in our house for home decoration. Wow, look at this picture. This is also a beautiful home decoration, and you will also definitely try. Okay. And this is also a home decoration by sceneries. Okay. You can also use this type of sceneries in your house for decoration. This will be very beautiful. And look at this picture. This will be very beautiful decoration. Okay. Next is, okay, this type of decoration you will see in village area. Okay, village area and their surroundings. You can see there is very beautiful decoration done by everyone. And have you any idea whenever you seen this type of rangoli? When do you see this type of rangoli, and any occasion? Yes, on Diwali we make rangolis on our house or home. Okay, so let's see different types of rangolis. You have to try on any occasion. This type of rangoli. Okay, decoration on the occasion of Diwali. Let's see what is the decoration you have to try on the occasion of Diwali. Can you use this type of lights on your roof? Yes, and this type of lights you can use on your Diwali celebration. And this type of rangolis and diyas you will try. Okay, wow, this type of rangoli is done by only flowers. You can use it, and you have to try. This type of rangoli is done by only flowers. Look at this picture. This is also good. Okay, this is very beautiful rangolis.